evaluate the integral of square root of x plus 1 all over the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 dx. So let's apply u substitution. Notice that the term square root of x plus 1 is repeated on the numerator and denominator. We both have square root of x plus 1 on the numerator and denominator. What if we try to let u be equal to that term square root of x plus 1? Okay, so we square both sides. So u square is equal to square root of x plus 1 square. So u square is equal to canceling out the square root with the square. It's equal to x plus 1. Getting the derivative of u squared 2u du, derivative of x plus 1 dx. Okay, let's substitute. So, integral of square root of x plus 1, that's u, plus 1 over square root of x plus 1, u, minus 1. Then, what is the dx? 2u du. Okay, so therefore, we have u plus 1 times 2u over u minus 1 du. So, if we distribute the 2u, multiply u times 2u, 2u squared, plus 1 times 2u, 2u, divided by u minus 1 du. So, we have a rational algebraic expression, which is an improper fraction because the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator. 2 is greater than 1, right? So, if that's the case, we can transform first to proper fraction by long division. So, we divide the numerator, 2u squared plus 2u, by the denominator, u minus 1. So, 2u squared divided by u, 2u, multiply 2u times u, 2u squared, 2u times negative 1, negative 2u. Subtract 2u squared minus 2u squared, 0. Then 2u minus negative 2u. So that's equal to 2u plus 2u or 4u. So we can still divide 4u divided by u, positive 4. Then multiply again 4 times u, 4u. Then 4 times negative 1, negative 4. Subtract 4u minus 4u, 0. So the remainder will be the negative of negative 4, positive 4. So therefore, we can rewrite the integral as 2u plus 4 plus the remainder 4 divided by the same denominator, u minus 1. Which is more integrable, right? So we can distribute the integral symbol. So we have 2 integral of u du plus 4 integral of du plus 4 integral of du over u minus 1. So 2 times the integral of u du power rule, u squared over 2. Plus 4 times the integral of du, u, plus 4 times the integral of du over u minus 1, that's just ln u minus 1, plus c. So simplifying, we can cancel out the 2 here. It's just equal to u square plus 4u plus 4 ln of u minus 1 plus c. So final step, transform back the u in terms of x. So the substitution that we have is u is equal to square root of x plus 1. So we replace all the u here with square root of x plus 1. So u is square root of x plus 1, quantity squared, plus 4u square root of x plus 1, plus 4 ln of u square root of x plus 1 minus 1 plus c. So square root of x plus 1 square, cancel the square with the square root. So it will become x plus 1 plus 4 square root of x plus 1 plus 4 ln of square root of x plus 1 minus 1 plus c. So this positive 1 here can be absorbed by the constant. So remember, the constant of integration can absorb a constant that is added to it, multiplied, divided by it, and subtracted from it. So therefore, the final answer will just be equal to x plus 4 square root of x plus 1 plus 4 ln of the square root of x plus 1 minus 1 plus c. Again, this positive 1 is absorbed by the constant c. So this is the final answer.